Hello, you're watching ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele, and today I'm making the nice slice sign. Let's get started. And there we have it. It's a sign, mixed media, made out of slate, 3D printed parts, mica powders, resin, and of course, some 3D modeling and some good old-fashioned illustration. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure to subscribe to this video if you haven't already. And could you throw a like on it? And by the way, could you hit that notification bell? Because we'd like to see more of you.